Hello guys, this is Rizwan Ahmed, mathematics and economics teacher, and here is our today topic is parallel lines and transversal lines. Like when we talk about the parallel lines, we have to recognize that what are the properties of a parallel lines. Like how we recognize the lines are parallel. First of all, the parallel lines are non-intersecting lines, or you can call they never intersect each other. For example, if you look at your copy or notebook, there are the lines which are parallel to each other. This is the first property. And what it is? That these two lines are never meet each other. The second one is that they are at the same distance at any point. They are at the same distance from any point. So if you look at this distance is same, this distance is same, this distance is same. So you can call a line which is the two lines which are not intersecting each other and having the same distance between them are called parallel lines. Otherwise, they are called transversal lines. Like for example, if we look at this line and if we look at this line, these two lines are transversal to each other. Reason, if we continue the line, these lines meet at a point. So that means they are not parallel to each other. This is the symbol of parallel lines. So if you look at your copy page or like I'm here putting here, this is a line which is called A. This is a line B which is called B. So these two lines are parallel to each other because they never intersect each other, and second, the distance between them are same. But at the same time, these two lines are not parallel because they cut at a point and their distance is not same as the parallel line. And before learning the properties of a parallel lines, we have to know some theorems. Like for example, the correspondence angle of two transversal lines are always equal. Like for example, what are the transversal line? Let's suppose these two are the transversal line. So that means if we put it, this one is angle A1, this one is angle 2, this one is angle 3, and this one is angle 4. So you can call it the correspondence angle. What are the correspondence angle? The opposite angles. Like for example, opposite of angle 1 is equal to 3. Opposite of angle 2 is equal to 4. And how is it possible? Look at this. If we draw a line here like this, so that means this is the total angle is 180 degree. Got it? This one is also a 180 degree. So you can call it angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. So if we cancel out these two, you can call it angle 1 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. So that means angle 1 and angle 3 are correspondence to each other. So you can say the opposite angle of two lines are always equal. Like if it is x, you can call it it's also x. If it is y, you can call it it's y. So this is the property of a two transversal line when they are intersect each other. Why we need this one here? let's suppose we have to check the lines are parallel to the same line or not. So look at this diagram. You can say the line A, line B, and line C are parallel to each other. So you have to remember the theorems. The correspondence angles are same. And the second theorem is that if the two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, their alternate angles are same. Got it? For example, uh, look at this sign. This is Z. So Z means this line and this line is parallel to each other. So this angle and this angle is always same. So if we look at line A and B, see that this angle and this angle is same. Is it? So that means the alternate angle of two transversal line. If it is angle 1, so that means this one is also angle 1. So angle 1 is always equal to angle 2 because two lines are parallel to each other. Look at this. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And which theorem we use here? Correspondence angle. Now similarly, if we look at B and C, look at this. This is a Z sign. So that means this angle and this angle is same. So that means this is, assume that the alternate angles are same. So if this one is angle 2, so angle 2 is equal to angle 3. So you can call it by using commutative property in angle 1 is also equal to angle 3. Now we finalize this, the parallel lines theorem. The lines which are parallel to same lines are parallel to each other as well. This is the property. This property holds good for more than two lines. Like in your copy, we have several lines. These are the parallel lines. Now, condition for lines to be parallel. We have to remember these 3 points. The first one, the pair of alternate angles are equal. And then straight lines are parallel to each other. The second one is the pair of interior angle on the same side of transversal is supplementary, means 180 degree. Then they two lines are parallel. The pair of correspondence angles are equal. Then the two straight lines are parallel to each other. Thank you.